If you want to download your account data from Netflix, follow these simple steps to ensure you have all your information saved securely. Step 1. Log into your Netflix account. Visit the Netflix website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find the data download option. Scroll down to the settings section of your account page. Look for the option labeled Download Your Personal Information or similar. Step 4. Request your data. Click on the download option. You may need to verify your identity through a confirmation email or password before proceeding. Follow the prompts to request your data. Step 5. Download your data. After your request is processed, you will receive an email with the link to download your data. Click the link and save the file to your device. Now you have successfully downloaded your account data from Netflix. Make sure to keep this information secure and review it as needed.